BMS second year Draviguna. So let us revise Palasha drug. So first is basoname of the drug. The basoname of the drug is Palasha is the very auspicious and plants bearer characteristics gives. So it is one of the auspicious. It is the basoname and it is also characteristics gives will be there. And simple synonyms you have to remember 5 synonyms. One is Tripatra, so it is having a trifoliate rays and having a Rakta Pushpaka, that is the flowers will be like orange color. So Rakta Pushpaka, Vakra Pushpaka, and you remember another one is about leaves only you remember, that is Karaparna also. Karaparna also you can remember Krimigna and Vatahara. Krimigna and Vatahara you remember. The action is Krimigna and Vatahara also. So these are the 5 important synonyms you should remember, or you should remember Sharasheshta also. 5 synonyms is Vakra Pushpaka, Rakta Pushpaka, and trifoliate leaves, that is Tripatra and Karaparna, Ksharaksheshta, Vatahara, and another synonym is Krimigna. Krimigna is most important synonym. Okay. Next is Beautea monosperma and family is Fabaceae family, that you should remember. And next one is Charaka. He is not mentioned in any Varga. And remember Bhavaprakash Nigantu Vathadi Varga. So remember these are the main important things. And habitat it all grown in India. It is cultivated, it has its leaves are commonly used. It is more cultivated. And leaf morphology, first we will discuss about the Rasadi Panchaka. In Rasadi Panchaka, in P letter drugs, you should remember Palasha is Tikta Kashaya, TKK will come, and Lagu Snigdha will come, Katu Vipaka, and Virya of the Palasha is Ushna Virya. Okay, Ushna Virya. This you should remember. We are discussing about the Bija, Palasha Bija. So TKK will come. That means Tikta Kashaya Katurasa, Katu Vipaka, Ushna Virya will come, and Lagu Snigdha Guna will be there. Okay, these are the Rasadi Panchaka. And next is Dosha Karma, Vata Kapha Shamaka. Remember, this is a Vata Kapha Shamaka. Vata Kapha Shamaka. And you can write action is Krimigna. Krimigna you can write, and Arshogna, Shara Shreshta it is. Okay, remember that. And Drishnahara, Dahara, and Kushtagna. These are the important karma. Okay, Krimigna, Arshogna, Drishnahara, Dahara, Kushtagna. And pharmacological action you can write, that is a tonic, aphrodisiac, diuretic, laxative,